Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show to you how you can make a lot of money using Canva. This is an addition to like the already pre-existing video I made on this topic right here. You can see it, which I talk about how you can like customize post, like make a post specially for a client. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you a very different strategy which you can use, and it's absolute. I have used the strategy myself, and it's much better than the first one because there are few downsides of the first one which I'm gonna tell you why are the downsides to this, and I'm gonna show you what are the downsides to this in this video. So let's just jump right into it. So the downsides which are of the first video which I made is that in a day you just have 24 hours. In fact, made that 16 hours because you sleep for 8 hours. So let's say if you earn like $10 an hour, you're not gonna earn more than $160. Max to max you will earn $200 even if you sleep for 4 hours, right? So you can't earn more than $200 in a day because there's a ceiling. Because every hour you earn only $10. You can't like break that ceiling. So what I'm talking about here is this is kind of like a passive income. You first have to just do this work. It's gonna take you 3, 4, 5, 6, or maybe even a week to do this, but it's continuously gonna keep generating you revenue. So the strategy which I'm talking about here is make templates using Canva. Earlier I talked about how to make customized posts and all these things using Canva. But when you use templates, you can use the same template which you make one time. When you make a template, you can like give it to like 20 clients in Fiverr, and you won't have to do work. You just will have to start work on like the first one. So you can see where I'm going with this, right? And now I'm gonna show you several examples of how people are doing this on Canva, and you can also learn from them. So here I'm so here I'm on Canva. So here I'm on Fiverr, a very good freelancing site which I myself freelance. So yeah, as you can see, I just search for Canva templates, and then as you can see, I got like a load of results, which you can see. Let's say I want to take this. I'm just gonna show you an example. You can like make your own. As you can see, for like the basic, like the smallest, like the lowest plan, the price is 4,000 rupees, and it's gonna give you six social media templates which you can use anytime. There will be two revisions and all these things, and then there is the pre standard, like 12. There will be 12 customized social media templates for around 5,000 rupees, and there's the premium, like the high end plan of 18 posts, which is about 5,600 rupees. And as you can see, like it's just you will have to work only once on this, and you will just have to give the client your source files, and you will just have to customize a little bit of things like according to the client, which just gonna take you like an hour, or not even an hour, half an hour, which you can easily do, by the way. And as you can see, people are paying for this. Like this like has 5-star ratings, have 570 reviews, and has 12 orders in queue, which means of course there are people which are buying these, right? And because it's much easier, like you can just buy a lot of this, and then you can just keep reusing it, right? And you will not have to work again to like make new designs. You will have to create and you can just keep selling this. It's gonna be like a book. You write a book only one time, but it still keeps generating you passive revenue. Now this is like exactly like a perfect example of this. Now let's move on to another. Let's say take this. So yeah, I will provide real estate templates in Canva. So this, as you can see, is gonna provide 50 real estate templates for 4,000 rupees, 100 real estate templates for 8,000 rupees, premium for 12,000. This is basically for like real estate agents for like to post on their social media and all these stuff. As you can see, it's gonna give you 130 posts, stories, forms, guides, and all these things. Like you can just view this, and many people. And as you can see, there have been already 99 orders, and this guy has a rating of 4.9. and which is pretty good. And of course, as you can see, there's demand, and people are of course buying this. And what he did is that he worked for like one day or max 1 week, and now he doesn't have to do anything. He will just keep getting passive income. So that's a very good, like, something which is very good about this. Like, as you can see, there are like many more here. Like this, I will design Canva Instagram template. Like, let's just take this for like the last example. So I hope you like this video. I hope you understood what this like video talks about. Like there's no barrier when you're creating templates or these. There's no barrier. You can make unlimited money because it's just gonna create passive income. Like I told in the video, like an example of a book. You only write a book one time, but it keeps generating you revenue until the day you die, because it's just gonna keep printed and more. You won't have to work anymore. You won't have to make like new updates. This is like an exactly like a perfect example of this, and I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna talk about more such strategies and bye bye.